To use Cash App for Apollo Group TV, start by downloading and installing the Cash App on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing your email address, phone number, and other required information. Verify your account by following the prompts sent to you by Cash App. After verification, link your bank account or debit card to your Cash App account. This will enable you to add funds to your Cash App wallet. To link your bank account, go to the Cash App home screen, tap the profile icon, and select Linked Banks. Follow the prompts to link your bank account. To send money using Cash App, tap the Cash and Cards tab on the home screen. Enter the amount you want to send, and select the recipient. You can send money to anyone using their email address, phone number, or $cashtag. For Apollo Group TV, you will need to use their $cashtag or other payment information provided by the service. To find the $cashtag for Apollo Group TV, visit their website or contact their customer support. Enter the $cashtag or payment information in the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to pay, and add a note or description for the payment. Review the transaction details, and tap Pay to complete the transaction. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App wallet before making a payment. You can add funds to your Cash App wallet by tapping the Add Cash button on the home screen and following the prompts. You can also set up direct deposit to add funds to your Cash App wallet automatically. When using Cash App for Apollo Group TV, make sure to follow best practices to avoid any issues. Always verify the recipient's $cashtag or payment information before making a payment. Keep your Cash App account and linked bank account information up to date and secure. Monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Cash App to pay for Apollo Group TV services securely and efficiently. Cash App provides a convenient and user-friendly way to make payments, and its instant transaction feature ensures that your payment is processed quickly.